Hi, greetings to all of you. Today we are going to see about the key differences between Tableau and Power BI. Both are business intelligence data visualization tools. If you are new to data science or data analytics or reporting field, then you will be having a confusion of what to learn, whether it is Tableau or Power BI. Now I am going to highlight the differences between both so that you can choose the one which you require for your business problem. So, Tableau is a powerful and fastest growing data visualization tool used in the intelligence industry. It allows you to simplify raw data into very easily understandable format. Whereas Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool which helps you to convert data from various data sources into interactive dashboards and BI reports. It is also providing multiple software connectors and services. Okay, now let's look into the features of Tableau. Here are important features of Tableau such as data blending, no need of technical knowledge, real-time analysis, data collaboration and data notifications, DAX analysis function, patented technology from Stanford University, toggle view and drag and drop, list of native data connectors, highlight and filter data, share dashboards, embed dashboards within, mobile ready dashboards, Tableau reader for data viewing, dashboard commenting, create no code data queries, translate queries to visualizations, import all ranges and sizes of data. Next, let's look into the features of Power BI. Here are essential features of Power BI such as customizable dashboards, datasets, reports, navigation pane, Q&A question box, help and feedback buttons, ad hoc reporting and analysis, online analytical processing that is nothing but OLAP, trend indicators, interactive reports authoring, complete reporting and data visualization tools, real time dashboards that help business owners solve problems as they occur, offers Power BI embedded Azure service that allows application to interact with Power BI. Q&A feature of Power BI allows users to ask questions using natural language to get answers in a specific graphical form. Content packs for sharing dashboards with team. Okay, now let's compare Power BI and Tableau, and also we can see like what are the differences and which one could be the right one for our use. So the first is Tableau. Tableau BI can handle a huge volume of data with better performance, whereas Power BI can handle a limited volume of data. Tableau platform is known for its data visualization functionality. Users can use 24 different types of visualizations in Tableau, whereas in Power BI offers numerous data points to offer data visualization. It is offering more than 3500 data points for drilling down the dataset. Tableau has excellent customer support. It has a large community forum for discussions. Power BI provides limited customer support to its users with a free Power BI account. However, the paid version users will get faster support compared with the free version. Tableau works best when there is a vast data in the cloud, whereas Power BI doesn't work better with a massive amount of data. Analysts and experienced users mostly use for their analytical purposes. It is for in case of Power BI, it is used by both naive and experienced users. Tableau is a little difficult thing to be learned, but whereas Power BI interface is very easy to learn. The information can be stored using the Tableau server, but the Power BI concentrates more on reporting and analytical modeling, but not for storing the data. Whereas in Tableau, suitable for medium and large type of organization. In case of Power BI, suitable for small, medium and large type of organization. Tableau deploys MDX, which is also called as multi-dimensional expressions for measures and dimensions, whereas Power BI uses DAX for calculating and measuring columns. Tableau can connect to numerous data sources, whereas Power BI connects limited data sources while increasing its data source connectors in monthly updates. Then embedding report is a real-time challenge in Tableau. Embedding report is easy with Power BI. Then let us look into the advantages of Tableau. Less cost of training. very fast and easy to create visualizations, good customer support, data interpreter storytelling ability. Tableau offers a feature of visualization. It helps you to combine, shape, and clean the data for analysis. It helps you to handle a large amount of data. Uses scripting languages like R and Python to avoid performance for complex table calculations. Allows user to create reports, dashboards, and stories using Tableau desktop. Then the advantages of Power BI is like offers pre-built dashboards and reports for SaaS solutions. SQL Server Analysis Services is nothing but that. It is also called as SaaS. Then provide real-time dashboard updates, secure and reliable connection to your data sources in the cloud or on-premises. Power BI offers quick deployment, hybrid configuration, and a secure environment. Data exploration using natural language query, feature for dashboard visualization, then new features frequently added that are great for Excel users, then extensive database connectivity capabilities, Q&A feature published to the web, then integration with both Python and R coding to use visualizations. Power Query provides many options related to wrangling and clean the data, then post publishing the data into Power BI web service, can schedule refresh without manual intervention. Then Power BI backed up by the superpower of with the artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, then what are the disadvantages of Power BI? Dashboards and reports only shared with users having same email domains. Then Power BI will never mix imported data which is accessed from real-time connections. Power BI can't accept file size larger than 1 GB. Then dashboard never accept or pause user account or any of their entity parameters. Then the disadvantages of Tableau on the other hand will be relatively high cost, no change management or versioning. It is expensive BI when compared to other tools. Then importing custom visualization is a bit difficult thing, not offers easy methods for embedding reports to other applications. Tableau is suitable only for large organization which can pay for licensing cost. Tableau does not offer support for artificial intelligence and machine learning. There is integration with other Microsoft products like Power Apps, Dynamic 365, Office 365, Microsoft Flow, which uses single sign-on (SSO). So these are the key differences. Like Tableau deploys MDX for measures and dimensions, while Power BI uses DAX for calculating and measuring columns. And Tableau is costly. Power BI is very less in amount to be purchased, whereas Tableau handles huge amount of data. Power BI handles limited, and you have to pay for more. Then Tableau is little difficult to learn, but Power BI can be learned easily. So these are some of the key differences between Tableau and Power BI. I hope this video would be helpful for you in choosing the right one as per the capability or like as per the budget you have and as per the business problem and as per your organization. So I hope this video would be useful to you, and I will meet you in next video with some more updates on data science and data analytics and data visualization. Thank you. Take care.